Hi DS Tech viewers, today visit Closey, the shop located in Sandan Industrial Area, Oman. They have many services available: ATV bikes, carbon paints and dipping paints, mechanical services, car polishing, detailing, nano ceramic, all services available. This is another section of Closey, only from paint section. So we will see inside what their services offering, what they are doing. We will see inside. Supervisor of Closey, the Sandan. What kind of services available here?
We do painting, full painting, parts painting, carbon painting, but in fiber.
Fiber
and
painting.
then repair.
How many years of your experience?
For this work,
Yeah,
17 years.
17 years the experience, the technical more result of this panel. Hi, and this is started standing. Okay, today they prepare for sanding everything. We'll see tomorrow for the result. See, bonnet almost finished. One step. We will see the second step the later. GT Mustang shop Closey, Oman from Sandan. Professional detailing studio. They will sand the finish. All the They all got starting the interior detailing. Sander for sanding paper, 1,500 to 2,000. Later we will see the tomorrow result we will see after the polishing. Result. GT Mustang. This is the final result. They're using Germany products, so almost finished. So still wax remaining, so now more glossy. They're using car wax, super heavy cut and power cut. Remaining wax remaining, so now more glazy, the perfect glossy, perfect shining. GT Mustang. The shop located in industrial area, Alban. All kind of ATV bikes services available, car polishing, detailing available. Thank you for watching TS Tech.